Training is a core aspect of most makerspaces, as it prepares makers on how to properly and safely operate the equipment. It allows everyone using the equipment to start with a basic knowledge of the hazards and best practices. Having a formal training program allows us to keep records of which makers are authorized to use which equipment. The Elko Engineering Garage is a university makerspace located in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. We provide equipment access and training to all staff and students at the University of Alberta. We currently offer training on over 40 pieces of equipment throughout 5 of our 6 open days each week. There are typically 6 to 9 hours of training every day, each led by a paid full-time or part-time staff member.
Some makers reported difficulty finding training sessions that worked with their schedules. This is because of the limited amount of seats available, as well as the training sessions occurring at fixed times. Staff had some concerns regarding the time-intensive nature of training sessions, which limited their ability to do equipment maintenance, help makers with their projects, as well as improve the space.
In recent years, we've implemented 3 types of online learning. Hybrid trainings, which involves an online video training module or a pre-read document followed by an in-person portion of the training. Online trainings, which are fully online video training modules. And challenge quizzes, which are online quizzes taken to skip repeated trainings for makers with previous equipment experience. Our hybrid training modules include the CO2 laser cutter, 3D printer, CNC mill, CNC router, and injection molder. Our fully online training includes electronic testing devices and the vented booth. A challenge quiz is available to bypass the soldering iron training.
In the year before it was converted to an online training, 278 makers completed our in-person orientation. The first year after going online, 859 makers completed the orientation, and the year after, this number increased to over 2,300. This would have taken us over 100 hours of training previously, and now it's all automatic.
Our hybrid training options drastically increase the number of users as well. Since January 2024, 189 makers have been trained in person, and 376 have been trained using the hybrid option for our 3D printers. For the CO2 laser cutters, 132 have been trained in person, and 197 through the hybrid training. For our fully online training modules, approximately 20 hours of staff time each month were able to be utilized for other projects instead of for presenting training sessions.
Hybrid training allowed our team to train our members on 3D printing really quickly, and it also accommodates for different learning styles as well as letting us do it on our own time.
Online modules help improve the consistency of the training by removing discrepancies between things like the staff members presenting the trainings and the current condition of the equipment.
We have plans to hybridize more of our equipment trainings in the future to create a more efficient, flexible, and consistent training experience for our makers. We're excited to continue exploring and contributing to other novel training methods as they're developed by the Makerspace community.